So we're back a few minutes later. It didn't take long. And this is the result of the way Chef Bill cooks his salmon.
All right, well, we'll plate one up here and go on our way. There's a piece of salmon.
And look at that. I want to show them the center. The center, yeah. It's a little bit pink, and that's kind of unavoidable because it's a nice thick cut.
It's going to be more done toward the ends and less done in the center, but that's fine. And then we're just going to take a drop of a little bit of dill butter right over the top.
Oh, that looks so good. And the outside is really crisp.
Really crisp, really charred.
Inside
not really
moist.
charred, but inside moist. And if we put an ear of corn on the plate, there's a beautiful gluten-free dinner.
Gluten-free dinner.
Gluten-free dinner.
Wonderful. Thank you, Chef Bill.
You're welcome, Stacy.